Let's go ahead and take a look at problem 6.1.5. The topic is random variables, and so this is the beginning of chapter 6.1. And so these questions of determining if a random variable is discrete or continuous is important because it helps us then determine how we solve probability problems related to random variables. And so in this first case here, again, is first understanding what is a random variable. One, it's a variable just like what we have been using before. The only difference now is, one, it's going to be a numerical measure related to some probability outcome, or what we call an experiment, probability experiment. So a potential variable would be the number of people in a restaurant that has a capacity of 300 people. And so just thinking about that, it's a random variable because if you walk into a restaurant, you don't know how many people are going to be in that restaurant, and the values would be from 0 to 300. And what's the probability that there'd be 20 people, 30 people? We don't know the answer, but it's still we don't know the answer right now, but it is a random variable. It is discrete, and the possible values are from 0, 1, 2, 3, all the way to 300. This one's not the answer because this would be a continuous situation here, so be mindful of that. And how about the time it takes for a light bulb to burn out? Is that discrete or continuous? That would be a continuous variable, since the time it takes, we don't know how long it's going to be, and it can happen at any moment, and because of that, all the possible values would be any time greater than 0, and so that would be a continuous random variable because the time can happen at any moment, and that's different for the number of people. That's like a whole number, and so that's the difference between that discrete and continuous.